Hello, thanks for coming. This is indeed the inside of the PET model 4032, and I believe it is the universal board. I can't tell. I have my glasses on, but the writing is so tiny. Just let's see what I can do here. Universal Dynamic PET Assembly number 80308032, and then I think it says 050. So they did have different versions of this fine machine. Anyway, as always, there's the monitor cable, there's the keyboard cable, there's the power cable. And that is what makes it all happen. And this one is definitely dusty, very dusty. But it doesn't seem to have affected it. It's funny, right here, I got a machine, and I don't know where it is, but it must be in here somewhere. That there are these things here, these jumper things, and I think they have something to do with whether it's a 40 or an 80 column machine, I believe. Because I remember in that machine that the fellow said he had it converted, there were prongs sticking out of those things and jumpers and things and stuff on them. Anyway, everything in here, besides the dust, looks, okay. There's also, there's an EPROM here that does not have a cover that I can tell. Or does it? You know what? Just a second here. It's dark in here. No, it does not. So, I know it takes some hours to erase such things, but I will look and find a disk write protect label, which of course is interesting because of course that's exactly what you want to do with an EPROM. That you don't want to go blank, you want to write protect it. The other one, I should have left the light on. I can't see what it says, but many times it was either WordPro, Paperclip, or other things that had the EPROMs. It was kind of their dongle or their copy protection thing. It was. Anyway, another look inside, and in this case it's an actual working machine. Actually, at this moment, it's on. It's still running the thing that says World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore, World of Commodore. Oh, I'm in the light there. Ooh. Anyway, so thanks for having a look. Stay tuned. This, I believe, is the last PET from the garage, but there are other things in there that I did not know about. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a voice recording of them. Maybe. Anyway. See you again soon from the pet room. David Bradley, signing off. Keep your stick on the ice.